So the number 2 Phillips screwdriver is just very common. Phillips screws are everywhere. You're going to use one of these a lot. Good pair of wire cutters. These come in different sizes. I have multiple sizes, but the large ones are the ones I find most useful. Cutting wires, that kind of thing, cable ties, even cables on lawnmowers if I have a stubborn one that needs to be removed that I'm going to replace anyway. Cut starter rope with it a lot too. Needle nose pliers, pretty much indispensable. Great for getting to small areas to grab little parts. Have the larger areas you can grab onto stubborn, like a stripped out screw, and remove it. Lots of them do have cutters too for wire and various things, so just a kind of a general purpose. And then this little guy, a little flathead screwdriver. I honestly don't know if I ever even drive screws with it. It gets used as a small pry bar, a tool to align things in small areas, pick starter ropes out of starter handles and starter pulleys with it. Seems like I rarely do anything without this little tool. Multimeter, it's hard to do DIY in my opinion without a multimeter, whether you're working around your house, your car, your lawnmower, using it to check voltages, both AC and DC, the continuity testing, check the circuit, whether you have continuity through the circuit, occasionally to check resistance, can be used for amperage too. I don't find myself doing that a lot, but there are times you would, but use it a lot for voltage testing.